students. So yesterday I started problems on properties of determinants. So next problem, see, I given this problem as homework. So see, prove that. So that is determinant of y plus k y plus k y plus k is equal to k square into 3y plus k. Right? See. So now I will consider the left hand side. So what is the left hand side? That is determinant of y plus k y, then y plus k y, then y plus k. See here. So already I told you, first you go for note 1. So check if all the elements in any row are equal to 1. So here there is not, right? So then check if all the elements in any column are equal to 1. So no. So then go for the third node. What is the third node? Next we have to try for R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, right? So all the elements in any row or all the elements in any column are not equal to 1. So then go for the third one. So that is, what is the third one? So I will go for, that is R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So after this we should get the same element in first row. If not, we are going for C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C2. See here. So here after R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, see here. So I am changing only R1. So write R2 and R3 as it is. So now this is R1. So this is R2 and this is R3. Right. So write R2 and R3 as it is. What is R2? It is y plus k y. Then it is y plus k. Right. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. First element in R1 is added with first element in R2 is added with first element in R3. So that is y plus k plus y plus y. So R1 first element in R1 is y plus k. First element in R2 is y. First element in R3 is y. Add these three elements. Y plus k plus y plus y. How much it is? 3y plus k. Right. Similarly, add the second element y plus k plus y. So that is y plus y plus y. This is also 3y plus k. So add the first element in R1, the first element in R2, first element in R3, and the result we have to write in R1. Similarly, add the second element in R1. What is second element in R1? Y. Second element in R2, second element in R3. Y plus k plus y. How much it is? 3y plus k. Similarly, add the third element in R1, third element in R2, third element in R3. So that is y plus k. Again it is 3y plus 3. Now we can observe we are getting the same element in R1. So after doing this, if we are getting the same elements, so then we can take this 3y plus k common. Right? So next step, let's just take 3y plus k common. So when you take this 3y plus k common, what is left here? So first row will become 1, 1, 1. Right? So when we take 3y plus k common, see, when we take the 3y plus k common, the first row will become 1, 1, 1. What is the second row? It is y plus k, y. So then it is y plus k. Next, in the first row, all the elements are equal to 1. When all the elements in a row are equal to 1, already I told you, we are doing the operation C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C2. Right? So when all the elements in a row are equal to 1, we are doing the operation C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C2. Right? So now LHS is equal to, now it is 3y plus k. See, I am changing C1 and C2. I will write C3 as it is. What is C3? That is 1y plus k. Right? So since all the elements in the first row are equal to 1, so that is the first node. When all elements in the first row are equal to 1, we are doing the operation C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C2. So therefore C1 minus C2. Now this is C1 and this is C2. Elements of the first column should subtract with elements of the second column, and that answer we have to write in C1. Right? So 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. Next, y. So the next is y minus of y plus k. That is C1 minus C2. Y minus into plus minus y minus into plus minus k. This y will get cancelled. What is the answer? It is minus k. Right? So next, y minus y, that is 0. right? So I am doing C1 minus C2, 1 minus 1 is 0, y minus k plus y minus will get cancelled, that is minus k. Now y minus y will be 0. Next C2 changes to C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1, this is C3. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. Next it is y plus k, see here, y plus k minus y, plus y minus will get cancelled, what is left here? That is k. That is k, right? So next y minus k plus y minus will get cancelled, what is the answer here? It is minus k, right? So I am doing C1 minus C2, this is C1 and this is C2, 1 minus 1, 0, y minus k plus y minus will get cancelled, it is minus k, y minus y will be 0. Now it is 1 minus 1 is 0, y plus k minus y plus y minus will get cancelled, then it is k. So y minus k plus y minus will get cancelled, now it is minus k. Now see here, LHS is equal to, now it is 3y plus k. So what is common in the first column? I can take k common. We can take anything common from 0. So now these two elements are 0. Now this is k. I can take k common from the first column. If you take k common from the first column, so what is left here? Now this is 0 minus 1. Now this is 0. Right? So I will take k common from the first column, 0 minus 1, 0. Again I will take k common from the second column. When we take k common from the second column, now this will become 0, 1 minus 1. So I will take k common from the first column, 0 minus 1, 0. Again I will take k common from the second column, 0, 1 minus 1. So third column there is no common, right, as it is 1 y plus k. Right? So now next we expand it, we will get the answer. See. Right? So now see here. So LHS is equal to C. LHS is equal to, now this k into k I will write it as, that is k square into 3y plus k into determinant of C here. So now it is 0, 0, 1. Now it is minus 1, 1, y. Now it is 0, minus 1 and y plus k. Now expand this. Now LHS is equal to Cn. Now k square into 3y plus k into Cn. So now expand by using first row. What is the sign convention of first row? Plus, minus, plus. Now this is 0 into anything will be 0. Next minus 0 into anything will be 0. Plus 1 into, leave this column, leave this row. When you leave this column, leave this row, what is left here? What is left here? That is minus 1 plus 1, 0 minus 1. Right? So now plus 1 into, leave this column, leave this row, minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1. Now LHS is equal to k square into 3y plus k. See here. Now it is 0 into anything will be 0, 0 into anything will be 0, 1 into bracket, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus 0 into 1, 0 into 1 will be 0. Right? So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 0 into 1 will be 0. Now LHS is equal to, now it is k square into 3y plus k into bracket, 1 into 1 will be 1. So therefore LHS is equal to k square into 3y plus k square into 3y plus k into 1 will be k square into 3y plus k, which is equal to RHS. Now k square into 3y plus k. Right? So now in this problem, this is very similar to the last problem which we have done yesterday, right? So here do R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, then we are getting the same element, that is 3y plus k. So when we take 3y plus k common, that first row will become 1, 1, 1. So when all the elements in the first row are equal to 1, then we are doing the operation C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C3. So then we are getting 2, 0 here. So then take k common from the first column, and similarly k common from the second column. So then after that, so just expand that determinant, we are getting the answer, that is k square into 3y plus k. Right? So this is the problem. Next one. See the next problem. See. So these all are 4-mark questions. See the next problem. See. So that. z y plus z plus 2x y. So then z x z plus x plus 2y is equal to 2 into bracket x plus y plus z whole cube. See the next one. So prove that determinant of, so this is important problem, so this is asked many a times, right? So prove that determinant of x plus y plus 2z x y z y plus z plus 2x y. So z x is z plus x plus 2y, right? So now here, so we can see, so all the elements in a row are not equal to 1. Similarly, all the elements in any column are also not equal to 1. That is, node 1 and node 2 will not satisfy. So then go for the third one. What is third one? Next I will check for R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R. That is elements in first row. So that is here. The first row it is x plus y plus 2z. First element in R2, so that is z. First element in R3 is also z. What is the answer? It is x plus y plus 2z plus z plus z. It is how much? It is 4z. Then second element, so now it is x plus y plus z plus 2x plus x. So that is x plus 2x plus x. That is 4x plus y plus z. Now we can see, now these two elements are not same. Right? So after doing R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, we should get the same element. So that is first element in first row plus first element in second row plus first element in third row. We are getting x plus y plus 4z. Then second element in first row plus second element in second row plus second element in third row. So that is x plus y plus z plus 2x plus x. We are getting 4x plus y plus z. These two elements are not same. So then we have to try for what next one? That is C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C. That is C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C. Right, so see here. So the first, this is C1, so this is C2 and this is C2. That is elements in first column. That is first element in first column. How much it is? X plus y plus 2z plus first element in C2. So that is x. First element in C3. That is y. So what is x plus x? 2x. Y plus y. That is 2y plus 2z. Next, second element in C1. What is second element in C1? That is z. Second element in C2. Y plus z plus 2x. Second element in C3. So that is y. So therefore, we can see, first I will write 2x, then it is y plus y. What is y plus y? 2y, then it is z plus z. What is that? That is 2z. Next, third element in C1. What is third element in C1? That is y. So then third element in C1. So this is C1. What is third element in C1? That is z. Then third element in C2. That is x. Third element in C3. That is z plus x plus 2y. So if you go horizontally, so this is row, this is first element in R1, second element in R1, third element in R1. If you go vertically, this is first element in C1, second element in C1, third element in C1. First element in second column, second element in second column, third element in second column. First element in third column, second element in third column, third element in third column. Right? So when we do C1 plus C2 plus C3, we are adding vertically. When we do R1 plus R2 plus R3, we are adding horizontally. Right? So now see, x plus x, what is x plus x? It is 2x, then 2y, right? So then what is z plus z is 2z. Now we can see we are getting the same element, so that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z, right? So in this problem, when we do R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, we are not getting the same element. But when we perform C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, we are getting the same element, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So this work you can do in rough work or directly by inspection also you can do. See here, x plus x, see here, x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Similarly, z plus z, 2z, y plus y, 2y plus 2x. Then z plus z, 2z, x plus x, 2x plus 2y. By inspection also we can see, or if you are not getting, so do this process in rough work. So after doing the rough work, we can conclude, after doing C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, I am getting the same element, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. See, I will do this operation because I am getting the same element after doing C1 plus C2. So I will do the operation C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Let's see here. So when I do C1 plus C2 plus C3, in the first column all the elements will become, already I told you, that will become 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Already we have done, right? So that is second element will also 2x plus 2y plus 2z. That is elements in first column plus second column plus third column, that we have to add and we have to write in C1. So now this is the C1. Then again it is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Next, what is the next element? It is x. Next it is y plus z plus 2x. Next it is x. Then y, then z plus x plus 2y. Right. So now what is common in the first column? What is common in the first column? That is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. If you take 2x plus 2y plus 2z common, if you take 2x plus 2y plus 2z common, what is left here? What is left in the first column? So that is 1, 1, 1. Then it is x. Then it is y plus z plus 2x. Then it is x. Then y. Then it is z plus x plus 2y. Right? So now take 2x plus 2y plus 2z common. That first column will become 1, 1, 1. What is the second column? X. Second and third will remain same because we are changing only the first column. Right? So now when all the elements in a column are equal to 1, so that is second note, what operations we are doing? So that is R1 changes to R1 minus R2, and similarly R2 changes to R2 minus R2, because all the elements in first column they are equal to 1. When all the elements in a first column are equal to 1, now we are doing the operation R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R2. Now LHS is equal to, now it is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. See here, now I do this operation. Right, so take 2x plus 2y, already we have taken it out. So now this is R1, so this is R2, and this is R3. So now we are not changing R3, so write R3 as it is. So what is R3? It is 1x, then it is z plus x plus 2y. We are not changing R3, first write R3 as it is. So we are changing only R1 and R2, that is first row and second row. So now see here, R1 minus R2. So now this is first row and this is second row. Now subtract this. 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? It is 0. That is first row in R1 is subtracted with first row in R2. So that is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then what is second element? It is x. See here. So x minus R2. What is R2? So what is R2? Second element in R2. That is y plus z plus 2x. Now it is x minus into plus minus y minus into plus minus z minus into plus minus 2x. So now x minus 2x. What is x minus 2x? Minus x, then minus y minus z. If you take minus common, that will become x plus y plus z. So now it is minus of x plus y plus z. Now that is R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1 is 0. What is the second element here? It is x minus of y plus z plus 2x. So minus into plus is minus y, minus into plus is minus z, minus into plus is minus 2x. X minus 2x, minus x minus y minus z. If you take minus common, so that will become minus of x plus y plus z. Right? So now third element, what is the third element in first row? That is y, here also y. What is y minus y? Y minus y will be 0. Right? Similarly, next we have to do R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Now this is R2 and this is R3. What is the first element in R2? It is 1. What is the first element in R3? That is also 1. What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 will be 0. Next, what is the second element in R2? That is y plus z plus 2x minus R3. What is R3? It is x. Now 2x, so now it is y plus z plus 2x minus x will be x. So now y plus z plus x is same as x plus y plus z. Right? So R2 is y plus z plus 2x minus R3 is x. Y plus z plus 2x minus x. 2x minus x will be x. Now that is x plus y plus z. Now what is the third element in R2? What is the third element in R2? It is y minus R3. What is the third element in R3? What is the third element in R3? So say third element in R2 is y. Now we are doing this operation R2 minus R3. Third element in R2 is y minus, now it is z plus x plus 2y. Now it is y minus into plus is minus z, minus into plus is minus x, minus into plus is minus 2y. Right? So y minus 2y. What is y minus 2y? Y minus 2y is minus y. Now it is minus z minus x. If you take minus common, y minus 2y minus y minus z minus x. If you take minus common, that will become minus of x plus y plus z. Now this is C. So now it is minus of x plus y plus z. Minus of x plus y plus z. Right? Now see. Now we have done the operation, that is R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So that elements of R1 should subtract with elements of R2, and that answer we have to write in R1. Elements of R2 should subtract with elements of R3, and answer we have to write in R2. So that manipulation you can do in rough work, and final answer you have to write here, right? So now see, LHS is equal to, now it is, so I will take 2 common here. So if you take 2 common, so that is 2 into bracket x plus y plus z. See, in the first row what is common here? Next, in the first row I will take x plus y plus z common. Already I told you from 0 we can take anything common. From the first row I will take x plus y plus z common. So what is left here? From 0 we can take anything common, that is 0. Next it is minus 1. Next it is 0. Right? So next from the second row I will take again what is common? X plus y plus z. Again from the second row I will take x plus y plus z common. If you take x plus y plus z common, it is 0, it is 1, now it is minus 1. So third row, write as it is 1x z plus x plus 2y. Right, so in this problem, so I am doing C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We are getting 2x plus 2y plus 2z, common element in the first column. So right, now take this 2x plus 2y plus 2z common. When you take this 2x plus 2y plus 2z common, all the elements in first column will become 1, 1, 1. So when all the elements in the first column are equal to 1, next we are doing the operation. R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3, right? So then LHS, so now it is 2x plus 2y plus 2z, R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1 is 0, x minus y minus z minus 2x is nothing but minus of x plus y plus z, then y minus y will be 0, right? Next R2 minus R3, 1 minus 1 is 0, y plus z plus 2x minus x, so that is nothing but x plus y plus z. Similarly, y minus z minus x minus 2y, so that is minus of x plus y plus z. Next, in the next step, I am taking x plus y plus z common in the first row. When you take x plus y plus z common, that will become 0, minus 1 and 0. In the second row, again I am taking x plus y plus z common. When you take x plus y plus z common, this is 0, 1 and minus 1. Third row, right hand. Now I just to expand this, right? When we expand, you will get that result. See, I will expand that. See. So that is LHS is equal to CL. LHS is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. So that is x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z is x plus y plus z whole cube. So that will be like x into x into x, that is x cube. So x plus y plus z repeated 3 times, that is x plus y plus z whole cube. Now I will expand by using first row. What is the sign? Plus minus plus. I will expand by using first row. Now 0 into anything will be 0 into anything will be 0. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus 1 into determinant of CL. Leave this column, leave this row. What is left here? 0, minus 1. So leave this second column and first row. What is left here? 0, minus 1, 1. Next that is z plus x plus 2y. Right? Minus into minus is plus 1. When you leave this column, leave this row. 0, minus 1, 1. Z plus x plus 2y. Plus, now it is 0. 0 into anything will be 0 into anything will be 0. Now LHS is equal to, now it is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube into bracket 0 into, we can leave this. Now this is 1 into bracket. Now this is 0 into z plus x plus 2y. So what is 0 into x plus z plus x plus 2y? It is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1. What is 1 into minus 1? It is minus 1. Right? Now we can leave this 0. Right? So this 0 we can leave. So 1 into bracket, 0 into anything will be 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Now minus into minus will be plus. Now 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. Right? So therefore LHS is equal to 2 into bracket x plus y plus z whole cube, which is equal to the RHS. Which is equal to the RHS, right? So now we can see that in any problem, first you observe that if all the elements in any row are equal to 1, so then we are doing the operation C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C3. If all the elements in a column are equal to 1, so then we are doing the operation R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Why we are doing this operation? In order to get the maximum number of zeros in a determinant. When we get maximum number of zeros, then expansion will become very easy. We can see that here there are 2 zeros, we have 3 zeros. Expansion process will become very easy, right? If all the elements in a row or column are not equal to 1, so then we are going for R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So after doing that, we should verify that whether all the elements in a row are equal to same, right? So if we are getting the same element, we are taking that same element common. After taking that same element common, all the elements in a row are equal to 1. So then we are doing C1 minus C2 and C2 minus C3. If not, so then we are going for C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So after doing R1 plus R2 plus R3, if we are not getting the same element in R1, so then we are going for C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. When we perform C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, if we are getting the same element in first column, then take that element common. So we are getting 1, 1, 1 in the first column. When we are getting 1, 1, 1 in the first column, next we are doing the operation R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. After these operations, we are getting 2 zeros in a row or column. If there are any elements common, you can take that element common and then expand. You will get the resultant answer. You will get the right hand side answer. So this is how we can expand the given determinants. So try to solve the remaining problems in NCERT. So in the next class, we will start the new concept, that is minor sign cofactors and area of triangle given 3 vertices of a triangle. Right? Thank you.